Hi everyone, my name is Jacqueline and today we will be unboxing some of the toys that I got for Snowball. She actually had a few toys but they're all worn out. They're old toys. Some of the toys were from my previous cat. That was Jester. So one day I'll just give you a whole story of my history of cats. But for today we'll be doing the unboxing. So currently it's just me and her. So sometimes when I'm busy, I don't have time to play with her. I am not, maybe not even home. I am working, and I think she gets bored. Of course, she needs the stimulation. She needs to play. So I thought, why not get her a few toys for herself? Because I actually never bought her the toys that I had, or the toys that I have, were from my previous cat. So I thought I'll just upgrade and let me just show you what we had. So it's been actually so dirty, it's even so embarrassing. The first one was this kind of like a small, small, small. It has catnip inside. So it didn't come with this, so we improvised to something like this. And you see, she's she's just I think she's even bored of them. She likes them. She can play with it. But right now, I feel like she's bored of them. So the dirty tools needs to be washed. A shoelace. You kind of like just do this, and I can see her trying to come get some. Like you just play with it. You just a shoelace. We had to improvise, guys. This, this we had to improvise as well. This is like my belt. I tied it with strap from my working out mat, and it's just embarrassing. It's so embarrassing, but we made it work. We made it work. So you just do like this and you just run around the house and you play. She's engaged right now because she's not ready to attack yet. But yeah, I just roll it and she almost like a snake actually. I love this one. So it was my belt, it got spoiled, so I said why not? Because she was interested in it. So we made it work. Tape measure, basically string like another one that torn, cut it, it's all out. It's all out, like it's so ripped. You see, she likes it. She likes it because of the cut knee. But it's down for feathers. I have a whole bag of feathers. So I would do this. Let's say this is what I had. And I'll just do it like this. And it'll be like something she can play with. So we made it work. I have a lot of feathers. I have a whole bag of feathers. These are turkey feathers. Yeah, so I got those. Um, a lesser, lesser one, the lesser toy. And you can see that she's ready. She likes this one. You like it? Come on, Sofa. Sofa? Good. See, she likes this one. She likes this one. And the basic grocery, the basic grocery net. Oh God, it's so embarrassing. But today we will be getting rid of this and giving you some toys. And we also play with this one too. See, she likes it. She likes them. So yeah, we made it work. But now let's see. The last one is a ball. This one is too heavy. I think this should be like a dog ball. Like it's too heavy for her. She doesn't like it. She doesn't use it. So let's see what we got in here. Try it. You want to put it on your paw like this? He's so curious. You want to see what it is. Ah, I want to stick this on your paw. Okay, let's see what's in here. So this is a self massage brush. Um, this is how it looks. Let me just get it out. And it's pink for girls. And they come in two. So you can stick it somewhere. Like I want to stick it to a corner somewhere. I'll show you. And it has catnip. So this is how it looks. Oh, the catnip filled. This is how it looks. I guess. How do you do this? Maybe I don't know. It comes with catnip, and you put some catnip on there, I guess, and you stick it to like a wall, and she can be stop grooming herself. So they come in a pack of two, so they came two packs of catnip and um two of these so that you can put them and you can like install them somewhere. So yeah. So I wanted to get her some catnip, but like I saw that this comes with catnip. I didn't know how much, so I passed on the ball of catnip. So we have that. Let's put that aside. She's like, oh, what did I did? Oh, salmon. This is gonna be good. This is cut street. She loved the ones that I got her before. So this is salmon and beef, and she loved the creamy ones that I got her before. Actually, we have two more packs left. Yeah. So yeah, I got some of those, some cartridges, and she loved them. So yeah, right now she's like on the yeah. So what else? Yay! I also got her a small stainless steel bowl for food. I saw that. Imagine in my 4 years of being a cat mom, I didn't know that plastic tends to keep like bacteria on it more than a stainless steel bowl. So I just learned that recently and I decided to get her one for food. She's smelling the catnip right now. Let me put it here. I didn't know that plastic was not the best choice for a bowl. So I got her one for food. I have a ceramic bowl for water, so that's okay. Yeah, so I got her a bowl, a small bowl for food. Yeah, and this is the bed. Oh, looks good. So many toys in here. So let's see. You like that? Let's see if you like it. Oh, so cool. Okay, come Sarah. Oh, wow. Oh, this looks good. Oh, that is going to be bigger. Cool. Oh, this is nice, Elbow. See? I like that. outside? No. Now play? Try it. Let's put the catnip pins here so that you see if you like it. Come try it, Mama. Come try it. Come. That's so cool. And you can be going inside there. That's so cool. This pack came in 22 stores and it was pretty affordable. Yay! Yes, we will try it. Yes! The most important thing is that you like it and play it. Let's do this at that level. So this is like what I was improvising. Like, this is what I have improvised on. But I wanted a different word. I thought it was okay, but it's not. Just have to like that. See, I wasn't making up the game. I was not making up the. Oh! Let's put this away. I was not picking up the other toys. Try it, Mama. Okay, be interested there. So it comes with one fishing burger, like a fishing burger. This is what I was trying to improvise on. Not long. It's not too long, so maybe we can use some of the ones that we put aside. A ball. Small ball. Oh, okay. Unbox it. Unbox it. Unbox for yourself. You like this one? What is this? What is that? What's this supposed to be? What's this supposed to be? Oh! I guess you have that figured out. She likes them. Oh my goodness, she likes it. Let me show you. Come. In the ball. Come on, Bubba. Oh, she likes it. Oh. Come on, Bubba. Let's, Bubba. Here. Yes, Bubba. Bubba. Okay. A couple more balls. So we have cards inside. I don't think so. So balls. Oh, this one she will like this one. Let's see, which one do you like? I'll just put them all here. This time we have cutting inside. I think do they have cutting inside? Yes, they have cutting inside. Okay, let's just all them out. Okay. There's so many of them. I don't even know how are you supposed to do with this one, especially. Oh, okay. She likes this. I think she likes this. No, I don't know. I don't know if she likes them as much. This one, I think you can get. And then like that. So small ball, ball, ball. Six kind of like balls for us. They have cuttings inside. For us. For like rats. These are so cute. Oh. Two strings. I don't know what this is supposed to do. Anyone know what this is supposed to do? More balls, but this one has like something inside. And yarn. Oh, cats love yarn. Apparently, I think so. Two yarns, and two. What are these now? I don't know. What are they supposed to be? I like playing with it. You like that one, Saba? You like it? Yeah? So make good use of this one. This one I like. Go and go through. Let's see how you want to come out. She likes that one. You have so many toys. That's one of the good of the couple. Oh. You can have like your own play area. Cool. You like that? These are like rats or mouse, mice. The one. The balls. These are so nice. I like them. Oh. Oh. Alright. You have so many toys. I like this one. I like this one. Let's see. Yes. I don't know if you can see her. Come. Check this out. She likes them. She likes them. Yay. Now let's see if she likes this this street this street brand. Okay, she knows it. It's half. It's half. Yeah. Okay, she knows it. So let's see. Interesting. It's just full of hair. Oh, you definitely love it. Come on, try. Yummy. You like that? Like it? Okay. Yeah. You like that? Okay, let me squeeze it out. Let me squeeze it. Oh my goodness, it's so kidogo, like it's so little. It's just air after to meet treats. So unfair. I should like it, so it's okay. No, don't go. That's like nothing. No. How many times? You like it? You definitely loved it. How many grams is this? 15 grams? And this is 14. Why does it feel like it? Yes. This is also beef and salmon. It's finished now. It's all finished. It's finished. Well done. Oh, but there's so much more inside. Okay. We squeeze it all out. Oh, ole. Let me squeeze it. Can you squeeze it all? Pull it out. Okay, now it's done. And that's it. So yeah, that's it. That's all we have for today. Let's figure this one out. How do we open this? Do we like no? Do we like, oh, I got it. I'm just trying to like groom you or something. Like this. Okay. So we put some catnip and first to do it off carpet. What? Catnip doesn't work on you? lives in her favorite toy. Let's see if she picks it out of the toy. She did. So that's the one that you like best. It's a good thing though. for a minute now with the balls. I think the balls are her favorite so far. Yeah, and the orange string, like I don't know what it's called. So see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Bye. Chobo, chobo kunywa maziwa.